So for that, I'm here now on my size of operator folder. Okay, so I'm gonna comment here first until the end. So on this first page, first on this first section, you can see that I have my function where I've included the C limit on the top. Okay, so first on in my integer main in my main function, I want to see out size of information NL, and I'm going to provide this presentation. Okay, and after that, I'm going to do a cout character size of character. Okay, so this command going to allow me to display the size of the character on my system. Okay, in byte. Okay, and I'm going to do the same for integer Sizeof. I'm going to do the same for unsigned integer. Okay, the same for oh, I did it twice. Let me clear. So the same for short integer. Okay, size of short integer. I'm going to find it. What is the size of long integer? I'm going to display it. For long integer as well, I will display it here. Okay, so I'm going to save my file and make sure that it's the one that is on board here, and I'm going to rebuild it. So you can see that. Oh, I have one error. Let's check that. Oh yeah, I know why I have that error. I should put that one here. Okay, that makes sense. I'm gonna rebuild it now. Okay, zero error, zero warning. That means that we good. So I can run and execute. Size of information. Character 1 bit size. The size of integer is 4 bytes. Unsigned integer 4 byte. Short integer 2 byte. Long integer 4 byte. Long integer 8 byte. Awesome. So you can see a little bit how it's working. Okay. Now I'm going to move on the next example where I'm going to display the size of float, double, and long double. Okay. So I'm going to comment this one now. You remember in the previous episode, I've explained how to use the comment system. Okay. So however, I should comment this part as well. Okay. So we're good now. So let's execute this section right now. I got a rebuild project. We are good. So I can execute it. So the float on my system is also 4 byte. The double is 8 byte, and the long double is 16 byte. So all this allow you to understand that if you are using, I don't know, if you are using this variable in your program, you should make sure that if you need something that is if you need something that is if you need a variable that need a really long or a really big value, you have to make sure to use the bigger and bigger type of integer of double, or I don't know. So that's a little bit it about this one. Okay, so I'm gonna move on the next step here, where I'm gonna show you how we are using uh, 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 the element of the climate Bible library. Okay, so for that, I've commented everything on the top, and I'm going to rebuild my program. Successful, 0 error, 0 warning, and I'm going to run it. Okay, you see? So the minimum value for a character is minus 128. For integer is minus. For short is the minimum for long is, and the minimum for long is this one. You see? This one is the longer, the bigger one. Okay? So if I'm changing the mean with max everywhere here, I'm going to have the opposite value on the symmetry on the positive side. Okay, so I'm not going to waste my time or your time to restart the same thing right there, because I'm pretty sure that you understand. But if you have if you have some question, please let me know in the comment. And also, if you have learned something new today, please give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.